This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features include power adjustable driver pedals, a sunroof, cruise control, XM satellite radio, leather seats, a locking rear differential, aluminum wheels, side curtain airbags, heated seats, and this vehicle has less than 19,000 miles. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Visit us on Interstate 90 in Luverne or call 800-634-7701. Drive satisfied with a new vehicle from Papik Motors in Luverne.